Hi everyone, good morning. Thank you so much for having us here. So my name is Roy. I work for the Aquaculture Stewardship Council, which is a global certification and labeling organization.
Some of them forget that when it comes to food safety, it's not only about harvesting and then processing. Food safety also, we are looking at the production bit of it as well.